Need to forward multiple emails at once in Yahoo Mail? Here's a quick guide to get it done. First, log in to your Yahoo Mail account. If you're new to Yahoo, click Create an Account and follow the prompts, or sign in with your Google, business, or work email. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select More Settings. From the left menu, click on Mailboxes, then choose your primary email account. Scroll down until you see the Auto Forwarding option. Under Auto Forwarding, you can set up automatic forwarding to another email address. This allows you to forward incoming messages in batches. However, note that this feature requires a Yahoo Mail Plus subscription. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade to use auto forwarding. If you decide to upgrade, click Upgrade and follow the steps. Once you've subscribed, you'll be able to set up auto forwarding to forward multiple emails automatically. I hope this helps you manage your emails more efficiently.